Hello first grade. Today this is a video about how to use kidsaToZ.com. The first thing you're going to need is your login information, which was emailed to your parents. So each one of you has a card. Your name will be at the top. You'll have a little round symbol and you'll have your password, and you need to know the teacher username, which is grade 2 BFS. Once you have that, you are going to either download the application onto your phone or iPad, or you can go to kidsaToZ.com and this will load. We share this account with second grade, which is why it says Ryan Rostein, because that's Dr. R's name. If it doesn't look like this when you first load it, then you will need to type in this grade 2 BFS and then it will look exactly like this. Then you're going to find your name. So I'm under here as teacher. I'm going to click that and then I have to add my password. Each one of you has a different password. Then this is our main screen. And you can scroll down and see the whole thing. This is an application where we will do some reading work. You might read with me on this. You might read by yourself on this. But your first task is to go to the reading, which is the purple one in the middle, and there are three things that will pop up. There is the reading room, there are my assignment, and level up. In the reading room, there are books that you can read or that can be read to you. Then these should be books that you should be able to read mostly by yourself. Then also at the top, if you're looking for specific type of books like nonfiction books or fiction books, or then you can use the arrow to the side and get all sorts of different books to read. When you want to read a book, if you click the book and you can read it yourself, or you can click the headphones and read it to you. After you have read it, you get to take a quiz about the book, and that is when you will see the question mark will turn white and blue, and then when you can click that and you can take the quiz about it. When you're done with reading room, you go back to the green arrow at the top and click back. I and myself and teacher Julie will be sending you books that we want you to read and talk about and answer questions about, and that would be under my assignment. So when I click that, I can see this is the assignment. This is what a teacher has told me that I should read, The Leprechaun Trap. I can listen to it, I can read it myself, and then when I've done those things, or one of those things, I can answer the questions. Level Up, if you click Level Up, it has a series of books that are books that you should be able to read on your own, and as you read them and answer questions about them, we can see, is this a good book and you really understood it and you could understand what was happening in it, or do you still need more practice reading books that are just this amount of hardness? So that's what Level Up means. If you go back to our main screen, there are also, sometimes there might be a writing activity, and we'll have you click the writing room and do a writing activity. There are also science activities that we might have you do. Head Sprout, if you click that and go through that, you will find that it's asking you a lot of questions about sounds that you know and words that you know, and to see how much information you know. When you are doing activities, those activities will earn you stars, and you can see I have 500 stars right now from the things that I have done, and those stars you get to trade those in and build. You can build an avatar by paying with your stars, or you can build a rocket paying with your stars. So that is how you use readingatoz.com.